It's easy to be dismissive of old-fashioned ways of working. Aren't we so much smarter now? But the humbling counter is that the benefit we get from the world we live in is nothing less than the sum total of all the work done by everyone who came before us. Better to see ourselves standing on the shoulders of giants. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. The latter half of the 20th century gave us the explosion of information technology, which we now take for granted. Who doesn't plan their work and then manage it with spreadsheets, downloads of CSV files from rigid ERP data sources, printed work orders, PowerPoint summaries, and bucket loads of tacit knowledge of your own and that of your colleagues? In the frame of traditional work management, there's a high degree of latency in getting actionable information. Tactical agility is restricted by an inability to know in the moment who, with what skills, is working on what. And it's not as if we know across all the silos which work will contribute the most to increase throughput and safely minimize costs over the short, medium, and long term. Then, even if we knew precisely who was available to do the highest priority work, it's improbable that we could rapidly deploy them under a different supervisor without running afoul of the friction of the cost center handbrake, one functional silo at a time. It feels like we should accompany such a workplace by breaking out into the song from Fiddler on the Roof. Tradition, tradition. Undoubtedly, traditional work management got us here, and we must stand in awe of the accomplishment. But competition in the marketplace will soon see traditional work management go the way of the horse buggy whip. So, innovate or die. For as Deming put it, survival is not mandatory. My course for systems thinkers explores how to take the best we have from our traditional work management and innovate around that to contribute significantly to delivering consistently high performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.